right. It's that time again, folks. That's right, you in the front. You guessed it. Yard and garage sailing. So, if you're into that type of content, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and let's enjoy the show. Because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. All right, first yard sale of the day, up in the right. Wish me luck. Nothing exciting at that sale. On to the next one. Oh yeah. Yeah, this road is horrible. I don't know where the hell I'm going. It looks like I'm going into a warehouse. So wish me luck on this one. Usually there's junk at these warehouses. For me anyways. I am a picky MF. So that's how it goes. Alright, just leaving that one. Back on the shitty tree over here with massive holes. Check out these holes. It's ridiculous. Come on. Shout out to the tower, giving me strong cell phone signals. Another special shout out to 5G. You know where you're at. Anyways, on to the next yard sale, garage sale, adventure sale, moving sale, estate sale, barn sale, car sale, side of the road sale, drive-by sale. I go. There's the sign to the left. I think I've stopped here before in the past. Oh yeah, I definitely stopped here in the past. And I'm not gonna stop here because she's a reseller. So on to the next one we go. Go. Another yard sale right here on your right. This looks like it's a reseller. Let me see if I stopped here previously. Doesn't look like it. I'll give it a shot. Wish me luck. Wish I could bring you guys in, but it's not looking like it. Off that sale, ended up grabbing a radar detector and a battery, rechargeable battery. I think it's, I don't even know the name of it. It's a lithium, I believe, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, on to the next one we go. Looking beautiful out here. Weather's clearing up. Getting really warm. Believe me, my back is sweating like Keith. So, with that being said, let's go have some more fun under the sun. All right, just stopped at a few yard sales already, grabbed a few goodies. I'll show you guys and gals that at the end of the video. I wish I can bring you along into these yard garage sales, moving sales, estate sales, etc. But people get nervous once they see a camera rolling. A lot of people don't want to be on film, so I'm gonna have to figure that out for the future. But anyways, I appreciate you guys and gals watching this video and tuning in. So let's get back into the swing of things. This is looking really nice out here. Alright, back home with a few goodies. So I guess I can start all the way over here. This is a 1 horsepower electric motor. Ended up getting it for free. I'll be recycling that. Here I have 5 Marware or Mareware or anywhere EcoView. Here we go. 2nd, 3rd, and 4th generation iPad protectors, blah blah blah. You know, you get the idea. Here, nice little battery, keychain, Ninja keychain. Not sure if they used to carry these things back in the day. I highly doubt it. Let's go with this one here. This one's a good find. Sony to recorder, and it's pretty high quality. Has a little ding here. It works. Comes with all these CDs. Some more up here. A charger, an extra battery attachment. Also this little case here with some audio cables and the original headphones. Up here, just a little basic 14 megapixels Kodak point and shoot camera. Here, another sweet find. Ideal 61720. I believe I ended up getting another model just like this. Ended up getting rid of that one right away. Nice little flashlight. Shout out to the little flashlight. Here, another cool find. Vector 985 by Bell radar detector with the cord. I ended up digging through all kinds of boxes. Found the cord. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a suction cup or the visor clip for it, but it works. Tested it already. Nice little goodie. Speaking of a nice little goodie, nice little compressor, old school. There's the name. By the way, if you see anything here that you guys and gals are interested, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at full time, at full throttle. Leave me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I already tested this out on site. Pretty cool. Go down here, this little hook. There it is. Check out the teeth on that. Pretty wild. Chop some shit up. This is a pretty interesting knife. It says bullet on it. It's a lock back. Actually, it's not even, yeah, it's a lock back. Good size too. Definitely need some love. This was a cool find. Grab this right away. Don't come across this too often. Nice saw with aluminum handle. With an original sheath. How cool is that? It's a little messed up, but still intact, except for this part. But I can always fix that real quick if I wanted to. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but if anyone wants to claim it, go from there. Shout out to the bug dropping, if that is what it is. I believe that's it. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick haul. Until the next one, cheers.